This video shows you how to replace the battery on a Dell Chromebook 3120. I've linked a well-rated battery in the description as well as the inexpensive tools you will need if you don't already have them. To begin, place the Chromebook on a clean, static-free surface and make sure it is not plugged into the power supply. Then, flip it over and remove the 7 bottom cover screws using a small Phillips head screwdriver. Using a black stick, a small flathead screwdriver, or a pry tool, pry up a corner of the bottom cover and proceed carefully around the edges, prying up the cover until it is completely separated from the top case. Set the cover aside. Keep in mind you may see little pieces of plastic broken off, but do not worry, there are plenty to spare and the screws do a fine job of holding the bottom cover in place. Next, disconnect the battery cable from the battery connector by pulling the cable horizontally towards the battery. Then remove the 2 screws on the edge of the battery with the same Phillips screwdriver and lift the battery out of the top case. Do not throw the battery in the trash, but rather take it to a recycling facility that accepts lithium batteries. To replace the battery, carefully place the new battery back into the top case and replace the 2 battery screws. Then, reconnect the battery cable to the battery connector by inserting the cable horizontally. Make sure that the cable is oriented in the right direction, otherwise you could damage the pins. Retrieve the bottom cover and snap it back into the top case by pushing around the edges. You will hear audible clicks if it's done correctly. Then, replace the 7 screws, securing the bottom cover to the Chromebook. To test the battery, flip the Chromebook over, plug it back into power, and turn it on. In the bottom right corner of the screen, make sure that the battery is charging and holding a charge when you unplug the power cable. If everything looks normal, then you're all done. As always, if you found this video helpful and concise, be sure to hit the subscribe button and have a wonderful day.